Let's unbox the Seiko Prospex Alpinist. Inside the box, you will find the watch and a 3-year warranty for extra peace of mind. With 200 meters of water resistance, the Alpinist is ready for swimming, water sports, and everyday adventure. Now let's take a closer look at the dial. The deep green color immediately stands out, while the polished hour markers and cathedral-style hands give the watch its distinctive alpinist character. The internal compass bezel adds a functional detail and reinforces its adventurous identity. Turning the watch around reveals the open caseback. Through the caseback, you can see Seiko's automatic movement in action. It is a detail that makes the watch feel more mechanical, more personal, and more special. Would you add this Alpinist to your collection?